Hey there, it's Annie with a new set of Happy Hands. These 3D nail decals actually lasted longer than expected. This one on my index finger came off around the 6th day completely, and then the other ones came off around the 4th, 5th day around the tip of my nails. But overall, it lasted pretty long. I can see why it comes off because it is raised and it would get caught in things sometimes. And let's go ahead and fix them up. For this week, I'm only using one color and a base and a top coat with some smiley face decals. With this piece of paper, I'm using it to catch all the nail decals as I peel them off. I'm going in with the Blossom nail polish remover to take the rest of the polish off. My nails have gone so long, I'm glad to trim them down. After cutting, filing, and pushing my cuticles, I'm going over with some nail polish remover to create a clean slate. It feels good to have my nails short again. I'm going to start with the ORLY Bonder base coat. It worked out really well. I didn't get chipping on my anniversary nails. And this time I'm using a solid color, so we'll see how it works out. The base color I'm using is from ZOYA called Miley. It can be best described as a pale, delicate blue cream with light lilac undertones. You need 3 coats of it. With the OPI Correction Cleanup Pen, I'm cleaning up any overpainting. Using these happy face stickers, I'm going to finish up my smiley manicure. I'm carefully pulling off the sticker from the sheet because they are so thin and they could easily rip. I'm starting off with the Happy Face Daisy and placing that onto my thumb. I'm using an X-Acto knife to help me pick up the stickers from the sheet. When using the knife, please be careful. These stickers are so thin that it really helps to use the knife. It's probably a good idea to lift the stickers from the sheet with the knife and then use the tweezers to place it onto your fingers. Press down on each sticker as you place them down. I'm adding different color happy faces onto my index finger and middle finger. Press down to make it flat as possible onto the nail. Instead of repeating the same happy face, I'm going to use the daisy happy face on my ring finger. I repeated the same design onto my other hand. All the nail stickers are placed on now, so I'm going to press down on each one just to make sure that it's flat as possible onto the nail. This will make sure that the stickers are not raised and peel off easily. And now I'll end with the ESSIE Gel Couture top coat to seal everything in. And last but not least, I'm going to rehydrate with some cuticle oil. The top coat did a great job hiding the lines from the stickers and made it really shiny. I'm pairing my nails with this stretchy happy face ring that I picked up from a store. I hope This smiley manicure spreads some happy vibes to everyone. With my nails done, I'm ready for a cold drink. The drink I'm having today is a Korean soda called Milkis. It's a refreshing milk and yogurt flavored carbonated drink. It comes in different flavors like apple or strawberry, but I went with the original. Thanks for watching. See you next time on a new set of Happy Hands.